From here, take your hands to your heart center. I'll actually face forward for this so that you can see what I'm doing here. So when you're in Utkatasana, take your arms up towards the sky. And exhale, bend into your knees, and you can turn your toes out to come into Goddess. We'll take 2 more rounds. Inhale to reach up. Exhale, lowering down to Goddess. Inhale to reach up. Exhale, hands to your heart center, bending into your knees. One last time, inhale to reach up. And exhale, lowering down into Goddess. Inhale, rising up. And turn your toes in. This time we'll just bend into our right knee. Bending into your right knee. Inhale to rise up. Bending into left knee. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, bend into your right knee. From here, turn the toes of your right foot out as you come onto the ball of your back foot, and inhale to rise up, crescent pose. Grounding through your legs. And take your hands to your heart center. Shift your weight forward so that your head lengthens, your crown of your head reaches forward as you pull your right hip back, left hip forward.